The 2017 BMW X3 is BMW's 5-seat compact crossover SUV. Competing with the Audi Q5 and Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class, the X3 is available with either rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. For 2017, changes to the X3 are minor. Engine offerings include a 2.0-liter, twin-turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that makes 240. Also offered are a 2.0-liter twin-turbocharged diesel 4-cylinder that makes 180 horsepower and a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged 6-cylinder engine that makes 300 horsepower. All come with 8-speed automatic transmissions. Fuel economy is rated at 21 miles per gallon city/28 miles per gallon highway for the gas 4-cylinder, and 1926 with the 6-cylinder, which is all-wheel drive only. The 3.0-liter turbo diesel 6-cylinder engine in the X3 made easy work of some extremely steep climbs, particularly in sport mode, which makes the engine rev more aggressively and adds a little extra resistance to the steering to prevent so much arm movement. The brakes of the X3 need be commended, too, and anyone who plans to tackle this road with intent should ensure they have enough stopping power available. Key available features include 18-inch wheels, satellite radio, Bluetooth, USB, navigation system, Apple CarPlay, heated front seats, wireless charging, Wi-Fi hotspot, parking assistant, power moonroof, active driving assistant, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats and head-up display. Available safety features include stability control, traction control, anti-lock brakes, front and front side airbags. The 2017 BMW X3 has a base price of $38,950 including a $995 destination fee, and it's assembled in Greer, South Carolina.